Welcome back to Where Is It? Around Town Edition. Are you ready? Let's go! Number 1. Look at this picture. Where is the post office? The correct answer is B, next to the gym. Great job! Number 2. Where is the museum? Letter A, on the corner next to the school. Well done! Number 3. Complete. The gas station is B, opposite the police station. Last question. Where is the gym? Letter A, above the clothing store. Excellent job, people. Well, that's all for today. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun English lessons. See you in the next video. Bye bye.